The Tacoma Police Department uses the Axon Body 3 body-worn camera manufactured by Axon. Officers are trained on the use of the camera to include configuration of the camera system itself, the uploading of videos as evidence, and the viewing of videos. When officers arrive at the station to start their shift, they remove their body-worn camera from the docking station. They then attach it to their uniforms and turn it on. Officers then begin their shift. When officers engage with the public in a law enforcement capacity, they begin the recording function of their body-worn cameras. Officers advise the community member that audio and visual recording is occurring. Washington state law does not recognize citizen interactions with the public as private or privileged, so all community members should expect to be recorded.
Good morning. My name is Officer Hill with the Tacoma Police Department. I need to let you know that you're being audio and video recorded.
There are several instances where officers have the discretion not to record, all of which are in place to protect the privacy and dignity of the community or protect sensitive law enforcement information. Once the interaction is complete, the officer turns off the recording function of their body-worn camera. Once per shift or after major incidents, officers return to the station or substation to upload their camera at a docking station. The footage will be uploaded to a storage system and retained in accordance with applicable Washington State Records retention schedule and City of Tacoma policy. Videos can be reviewed for investigative purposes, administrative purposes, and training purposes. The reviewing of videos must have a specific purpose, and at no time will videos be randomly reviewed. Officers are allowed to review their own video prior to writing their reports. Officers are not required to review every video. Body-worn camera video will not be reviewed for the purpose of performance evaluation. If there is a specific complaint regarding a specific officer, supervisors can review video regarding that specific event and the performance of investigating the specific complaint. While the video taken by the officer should capture the entire incident, prior to public release, some information may be redacted from the video for privacy and safety reasons, such as child victims, confidential informants, and names and addresses of witnesses or other similar reasons. If you want to request a video from an incident, you will be able to do so by going to Request a City Record. However, please keep the following in mind as you make your request. Per the RCW, a request must include the name of a person or persons involved in the incident or case number, the date, time, and location of the incident or incidents, or the identification of a law enforcement or corrections officer involved in the incident or incidents. Effective January 1st, 2021, body cam requests will be subject to a 49-cent per minute redaction fee in accordance with state law. Charges will not be levied if the request comes from a person directly involved in a recorded incident and their attorney, a person or his or her attorney who requests a body-worn camera recording relevant to a criminal case involving that person, executive directors from or with the Washington State Commission on African American Affairs, Asian Pacific Affairs, or Hispanic Affairs, attorneys who represent a person in a potential or existing civil cause of action involving the denial of civil rights under the federal or state constitution, or a violation of a United States Department of Justice settlement agreement, and explain the relevancy of the requested video. For further information on the Tacoma Police Department's body-worn camera program, please go to cityoftacoma.org/bodycameras.